It's gonna look so weird if someone driving past. What? Alright, gotta be doing something different today. I haven't done this before. I'm in a car park right now because we couldn't figure out a good background to have, and this is the best that we can do for now. My partner and I have Ancestry test kits, and these test kits will allow us to find out on what our background is in terms of our race and I don't know, things like that. I don't know too much about it, but we've always been curious of what background we are actually. You know, I'm half from Middle East, half from El Salvador, my mother and father. But anyway, I'm really excited to introduce you to my partner because, as you know, this YouTube channel is called Daniel in India. And she actually hasn't been in any video. I think her voice has been in one of the videos, and it's been a while since we've posted too. I'm excited to introduce her to you guys. My partner, Nindya.
Hi.
Hola. Here she is.
Hi.
Anyway, let's get going. Let's do these tests. So, here they are. Maybe you can hold yours. Anyway.
Okay.
But yeah, so this is what they look like. We bought them on Ancestry. Let's open them up, hey. This is actually step one of, I would say part one of this video, because part one will be, you know, we'll show you how we do the test, you know, and then we'll have to send it off to them. As far as I know, that's what we need to do. And then we'll do a part two of the results, okay, of what our backgrounds are. Probably that will be a shorter video. This one obviously a little bit longer and a little bit more fun. But anyway, yeah, so that's the plastic off. It's kind of like a flap there. And then it comes up, I think.
Okay, I'll try to open my way.
Oh yeah, the box kind of just rips.
Oh.
Okay, you got your instructions there. And then you've got like a box here.
Okay, I did it. Oh yeah.
So we have to register our kit. These are all the instructions. This is a box with everything inside it. Mine's a little bit dodgy. The return sender thing here is a bit damaged. Nindya's is perfect looking. Perfect looking, so I might have to like re-stick mine down or something. Try to fix it, but it might rip.
Okay. So the QR code takes you to the Ancestry website, and then you can just sign in with your Google account or with your Apple account. So we'll do that.
Alright, I just fixed my sticker. I just spent a few minutes on that, but that's better. So they can actually receive it back after we've given them our sample. Just opening it up now from the front. And here it says pull to open. I already did this once. There's actually like a barcode here or something. I can't show that online. But yeah, you pull it open and then a whole bunch of stuff comes out. There is a test kit, like a hazard bag. Then there is this like activation code card. So what I'm gonna do now is register my kit. So that's actually step one in the process. So it's taking me to the App Store. You can now see the camera, look at that. Anyway, it's taking you to the App Store. So yours took you to a link.
Yeah, so ancestry.com, and then sign up with the Google.
Right.
And then it does, you know, just put in all your details.
Yeah.
So yours is going to an app.
Yeah. So it depends.
I'm sure it's the same, I guess.
So Nindya has an Android, I've got an iPhone, so it's probably the reason for that. Now I'm answering like a bunch of questions. Like, do you have an identical twin? So very interesting questions. Do you give consent to participate in the Ancestry Human Diversity Project?
Ah, there you go. Register a kit. Oh, all I've been doing is creating a family tree.
The more videos we do together, you're gonna find out a lot about Nindya.
This is what you read, people. Okay, so myself. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm on the right track now.
So after you register your kit, it tells you like on your profile on web, it's taking me out of the app onto web, and it shows me like my name and how long it'll take to get my result. Step 2. Now I've got to spit in the tube, which is in here. See how that goes. India's still in step 1, so the kit just opens. I've got to spit into this tube all the way up to here, like that much. Holy moly. After I've done that, then I'll have to put this cap on and release some sort of solution to keep the DNA intact. I'm gonna skip this part.
And it said to you before you spit on the tube, like do the test, make sure you don't eat, drink or smoke or chew gum for 30 minutes before.
So in the biohazard bag, that's where now we put the tube inside, like so. Then you chuck it back in the box, just close it up, I guess, and there's a little piece of tape here, just notice this, so to shut it off. And then we'll send that into the mail. I think it gets sent over to the US. Considering we're in Perth, Australia, it's probably going to take a while until we get the result back, but that's all right. We're patient people. I'm probably going to have to tape here on this side so it doesn't come off, because I don't want any issues with that.
I'm sealing mine.
Yeah, so you stick it, I'm pretty sure you stick it on the outside so then no one can like get into it. And India's,
yeah, don't stick it inside.
Don't do what India did. She stuck it on the inside so you can still kind of like open it here.
Okay.
So yeah, anyway, we'll just sticky tape that. I'll probably sticky tape mine still too, just to secure it better. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this just as much as we did putting it together. This was different for sure.
First time.
It's not me going to York. It's not me doing something in my backyard. What else have I done? I've forgotten.
First time I'm here?
First time she's here, yes. So, yeah. Again, I hope you enjoyed this just as much as we did putting it together. And part 2 will be coming, I would say, probably in around 2 months, depending on when we get the results back. So, it is now late October. So, you should be expecting this roughly maybe late December, maybe early January, something like that. So yeah, we're excited to find out what really our backgrounds are. It's something that we keep talking about all the time. All right, thank you for watching.
Bye.
See ya. It's gonna look so weird if someone driving past.
Okay.
I want anyone to see me while I'm spitting. It's really warm in the car, by the way. I don't know if you can tell from me touching my neck weirdly. Whoa, it's hot. Whoa, it's hot. Pause for now.